This is Alex. He's the head of the management department at Temka. Today, he called for a meeting regarding a new project. The team he chose for this project consists of Steve, Anna, Kim, and Paul. They have all been working for the Temka company for a different amount of time and in different departments. Alex has received the assignment to remodel one of the office rooms. Until now, the space has not been used efficiently. So the team's task is to create a space from which the employees benefit. Motivated and full of energy, the team members start to think about how they would like to design the room and share their ideas with each other. Each person wants to implement his or her own idea and tries to persuade the others to accept it. This leads to a heated discussion and to strong dissatisfaction among the members. Alex overheard the conversation from the hallway and now tries to de-escalate the situation. He advises the team to reconsider their approach and take advantage of their diversity. Steve has an idea and proposes to use design thinking to get a new perspective on the task. But not everyone on the team is familiar with design thinking. So, what is design thinking? Design thinking is a process for creative problem solving which consists of 5 phases. It is an iterative process, which means that the sequence of the process steps can be continuously repeated by loops to previous phases. Design thinking benefits when the team is very heterogeneous. The aim of design thinking is, for example, to develop products and services that are oriented towards the user and his needs. Therefore, it has a human-centered core. In general, it is about embracing simple mindset shifts and approaching problems from new directions. Interculturality does not mean that cultures are clearly distinguishable from each other or homogeneous in themselves. Therefore, it is not about overcoming streams or building bridges. In interculturality, 2 members of different cultural networks meet and interact. Here, the rules are unknown, something new is negotiated, and something third is created. In the empathized stage, the aim is to gain an empathic understanding of the people the design is for and the problem that should be solved. This process involves observing, engaging, and empathizing with the target group. Now that all the members of the team are at the same level of knowledge and know what the first phase involves, they specify their target group. The team is ready to start and ask the Temka staff about their design wishes for the room. While one of the 2 co-workers interviewed by Kim says that he would really appreciate a space where he could pray, the other colleague wants a room to host movie nights. Another co-worker interviewed by Anna expresses the desire to adopt a cat to play with in order to reduce stress, while someone else would like to have a basketball basket. In the define phase, the information obtained during the previous stage is collected so that the team has the same level of knowledge. Now that the team members know what will happen in the second phase, they visualize the gathered information and their own wishes on the whiteboard. The third part of the process, ideate, involves team members generating innovative and creative ideas using various creative methods, such as brainstorming and mind mapping. After discussing the advantages and disadvantages of some creative methods, the team decides to visualize the ideas using a mind map. Prototypes are used so that the designers can think about their solutions in a different way and to answer specific questions so the team can further develop the idea. Furthermore, it is an opportunity to fail quickly and cheaply so that less time and money is invested in an idea that turns out to be a bad one. Of all the collected ideas, the team members select the ones that are most suitable, through which the space could be used efficiently and would give the room a cozy atmosphere. Testing involves the presentation and the testing of the developed prototypes and furthermore the generation of user feedback. This leads to gaining an even deeper understanding of the users. As already mentioned, design thinking is an iterative process and failure is an option. Thanks to the co-workers, the team has realized that their design has to be improved in order to be efficient and usable for all the employees. The identified difficulties and problems of the previous prototype are solved by the team and new ideas are implemented. This time, the prototype is a success. And the employees are satisfied with the design of it.